Hello bunnies and also bunnettes, welcome to Bunny News. I'm your host Kit Hopkins and we've got a lot to cover, so let's stop wasting time and start wasting your time. We start today's episode by looking at what has happened since we last saw each other at the end of May. BunnyNet launched BunnyStream Mobile SDK for iOS and Android, letting developers drop powerful customizable video streaming to their apps without the usual crying in the server room phase. Magic Containers got a sleek new deployment UI and single region targeting, which means launches are now faster, smoother, and slightly less likely to cause emotional damage. The affiliate program got a glow up. You now earn $20 per paying bunny you bring on board, or a little extra in bunny credits, which honestly has me thinking, should I start plugging my own referral code on this show just to cover the snag budget? No? Well, okay, moving on. Bunny Shield leveled up with real-time bot detection, transparent plan limits, a new business tier, and access lists. Basically, it's now the Gandalf of the internet. You know, the guy that said, "Bot shall not pass!" But I'm sure you already knew all that, so let's hop to something fresh. Last time, we broke the news about Bunny's newest product, EdgeDB Lite. Kevin, VP of Engineering, dropped a few hints, but today we got a full scoop. We've learned that the beta is going strong and that the second round of invites rolling out right now. To get more information about the state of the product, we corner product lead Swati.
The team has been hard at work on EdgeDB Lite, a managed, globally distributed SQLite database. We recently opened it up for closed preview and we are inviting users in phases. Early adoption has been fantastic, and we are now focused on making it production ready and building a clean, intuitive interface for developers. We're really excited about what's coming next.
Thanks, Swati. We can't wait for everybody to dig their paws into it. Oh, and there's a Q&A coming up, so start writing your questions now. Or I guess just show up and wing it. That's what I will be doing. Next up, free stuff. Lots of it. BunnyNet is about to roll out Hopstart, a program for early stage startup that gives you the kind of resources that usually comes with a terrifying price tag. Except, there is no price tag. It's completely free. That means more money for important expenses like pizza parties and buying way too many domain names you'll never use. They say the goal is to help small ambitious teams hit the ground hopping and actually make it to the next stage. We asked Aiden, the bunny in charge, how he convinced the company to give away tens of thousands in free credits without getting fired.
We remember what it's like to be a tiny team with big dreams and small wallets. So we thought, all right, how can we go further for the startups betting on Bunny? That's where Hopstart came from. It's for early stage builders who are making something amazing happen and just need a tiny bit of extra fuel to get it off the ground. Apply, and you could get 1 year of free usage, one-to-one guidance, and all the tools we wish we'd had when we were starting.
Thank you, Aiden. He also let slip there is going to be a big competition at the launch party with some pretty serious prizes in the mix. If it's anything like the free credits, it's definitely worth sticking around for. Now, as much as I'd love to tell you that this show runs on nothing but pure passion, turns out passion doesn't pay the bills. And my Only Bunnies page still hasn't brought in a single carrot. So we got a sponsor now. Let's see what they've prepared for us. The following advertisement is intended for Finn Hairwood only. It's free. Career at Bunny. We're giving you a job. It's free. We're giving you merch. It's free. It's a free job for you, Finn. It's a free career at Bunny. Well, you gotta bring the skill, but the job is free. Yearly team building with parties. It's free. You get money for home office and health. It's free. We got Bunny in the office. I'm not carrying this around all day. That's for your application. Free career at Bunny. I'll pee my pants. Finn, come get your damn job. It's a free job! Finn, I got career opportunities. Finn, does it get better than this? Finn, the job is free! Finn, the job is free! It's a free job. It's a free career at Bunny. Apply for free at bunny.net/careers.
Free!
Well, that just happened. I do wonder if they are hiring a professional news anchor with questionable career choices. Anyway, moving on. Our reporters have... Oh, right. Excuse me. There is more to this. Just give me a second to remember who you are. Okay. Okay. Mansa, tell us. What makes someone a great fit for Bunny?
Thanks for the intro, Kit. I'd say a great fit for Bunny is someone who's curious, bold, and not afraid to take ownership. We're not really after people who just, fit in. We are really looking for people who add something new. So yes, sure, we are serious about building a faster, safer, and better internet, but we don't take ourselves too seriously. So probably something you've heard about yourself once or twice, right? So if you throw in flexible hours, remote work, even from the beach, and some pretty excellent merch, yeah, I'm not sure what else you really need. Honestly, Kit, I wouldn't blame you if you hopped over. I bet you'd crush it in pajamas.
Wow, thank you, Mansa. People really don't understand how hard it is to wear a suit 24/7. Pajamas? That does sound incredible. But yeah, regular pay, great perks, and you get to work from literally anywhere. That sounds way better than my current gig, not gonna lie. Maybe it's a great time for a change. Anyway, if you are thinking about joining the Fluffle, hop over to bunny.net/careers and find one that will suit you best.
Free!
Our reporters have been sniffing around, and word on the street is that Bunny is planning an entire week of Bunny-themed activities. A Bunny week of sorts. It's supposedly set for the end of September, with the headline act dropping on the 27th. Mark that date in your calendars. Naturally, we wanted answers, so we began with emailing Bunny CEO Dan. Guess what? No reply. We tried calling, but the phone was off. We even tried Discord, but no luck. Then, after, mildly stalking his Discord profile, we had a brilliant idea of where to find him. So we sent our reporter into the field.
I don't think your brilliant idea went quite as expected, kid. I've been milking him for answers all morning, but I got nothing but a bunch of mooing. And a stare. I think we're done here, kid. Back to you in the studio.
Well, that went sour fast. And before we wrap up for tonight, an update on Blaze. We introduced him last time, and then he vanished. Since then, he's been spotted hopping across the globe. Still, no idea what he's planning, but rest assured, we are on his tail. Well, bunnies, that's our show. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time. It looks like my ride is here. Have a good one, bunnies.